Penny with Swiss Watch Expo. Today I'm looking at a watch that I think would make a great choice for an everyday timepiece with some added extra sparkle. This is a Chopard Classique watch. This watch is 34 millimeters. It's a manual wind watch, which makes it more of a traditional men's kind of dressy piece. But I think that makes it a great choice for an everyday ladies piece because it's that slightly oversized look that's very much in fashion nowadays. And this bright white dial makes it feel even larger on the wrist. I love this watch's design. I think that the lugs on the side being straight up and down are really cool. I think they're a really neat design feature. I love how thin the bezel is with these fabulous little diamonds, which add that bit of sparkle and shine, which really kind of opens up the dial to be kind of the main feature. I love how clean and how simple and understated the dial is. I think it makes it a really beautiful timepiece with these fabulous Roman numeral hour markers and very thin hands. And overall, I just think this watch is such a great choice for an everyday watch because it feels very simple, very understated, but adds that extra bit of sparkle. I think this watch would pair it beautifully with kind of daintier jewelry, dainty rings, and diamond earrings as well. And I just think overall it's such a fabulous watch to put on and wear every single day because it adds that extra touch of elegance and sparkle to every single one of your outfits. So if you've fallen in love with this watch, if you would like to buy it for yourself or purchase it as a gift for someone that you love, you need to check it out right now at SwissWatchExpo.com.